Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to guide you how to play Call of Duty 2 offline. So let's get started. Number 1. Insert the game disc. If you have a physical copy, insert the Call of Duty 2 disc into your console or PC. If you have a digital copy, ensure it's installed. Number 2. Launch the game. Start Call of Duty 2 from your console or PC's game library. Number 3. Select campaign mode. From the main menu, choose single player or campaign to play the story mode offline. Number 4. Choose your difficulty. Select the difficulty level you want to play on, easy, normal or hard, to tailor the experience to your skill level. Number 5. Start a mission. Begin the first mission or select the unlocked mission from the campaign to start playing. Number 6. Follow the objectives. Play through the missions by following the on-screen objectives and enjoy the gameplay. Have fun battling through World War II in Call of Duty 2. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.